Today let's extract tabular data from a table into Excel. So you open Office if you have not installed, then go to plus sign. From plus sign, it's at the bottom. There is actions just above it. Select Excel, then scan table. So we are scanning a tabular data, a table with a data. So point your phone towards the table, whether on the paper or on your computer or on your screen. Then adjust to crop the areas that you need. Then click continue. So allow it to extract a table. It will take some time. So this app, you can get it on App Store or Play Store. It's called Microsoft Office. So ensure you're getting the official app from Microsoft. So the data is extracted and you have our data. So you can copy or open. So we will open ours with Excel to edit and remove some of the data that we need. So click open anyway. That's just notification. Tell you there are some issues that have been reported, which now we need to open and edit. So you wait for it to create your file and the table is there. So we need to edit and delete some of the stuff we don't need. So select the data that you don't need. Just tap then drag to highlight. You can save these and also save to your computer and edit if you're comfortable with the computer. So delete or clear. So on the app you use clear, then clear. On the computer just press delete button. Then after that, now we can edit the data, the one that looks distorted. If you count the time we have taken to extract and the time it would have taken you to read as you type, this is the easiest method. You just scan with your phone, extract the data, and that's it. So look for that app. Just type Office, then you look for Microsoft Office app. It's the official app by Microsoft. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and also follow me for more.